To track competitor information effectively in Salesforce, you'll need to set up your system to capture valuable data about your competitors and integrate it into your sales process. This can give you a real edge in understanding their strategies, identifying weaknesses, and finding opportunities to outperform them. In this video, we'll show you how to track competitor information in Salesforce quickly and easily so you can stay ahead. First off, you should create a custom object for competitors in Salesforce. By setting up a custom object, you can store and organize all the competitor data you want to track, such as the competitor's name, products, pricing, and any relevant notes about their performance or strategy. This is a great first step in making competitor tracking systematic and accessible. Next thing, you'll want to link competitor information to your accounts, opportunities, and leads. This can be done by adding a related list to your account page layout in Salesforce. That way, whenever you're working on a specific opportunity or account, you can quickly see which competitors are involved and what their strengths and weaknesses are in that particular market. This integration helps keep everything connected, so you're always working with the most up-to-date information. The third thing you need to do is use custom fields to track specific details about competitors. These could include things like their recent marketing campaigns, product launches, or any pricing changes. By creating custom fields, you can tailor the data to your business needs, giving you the flexibility to track exactly what matters most to your sales and marketing teams. Next, let's talk about adding competitor information to your reports and dashboards. Salesforce allows you to create reports that can pull data from your competitor custom object, so you can analyze trends, compare performance, and track changes over time. With this setup, you'll be able to visualize how your company is performing against competitors, helping you make smarter, data-driven decisions. The fifth thing is to set up alerts and notifications for any important changes in competitor data. Salesforce has a feature called Process Builder that can help you automate the process. For instance, if a competitor changes their pricing or releases a new product, you can have an automatic notification sent to your team so they stay on top of the latest developments. This ensures you're always in the loop when it comes to competitor moves. Finally, to ensure that your team is using the competitor information effectively, make sure you're training your staff on how to access and use the competitor data in Salesforce. Having a thorough training session can make a huge difference in how your team leverages the system, helping them to track competitor activities and act on insights faster. That's a quick rundown of how to track competitor information in Salesforce. Remember, you can implement all of these tips in your Salesforce account, and as a special bonus, we've linked an exclusive free trial below so you can start using these features right away. Don't forget, tracking your competitors is a game changer, and using Salesforce to do it effectively can give your business the edge it needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the free trial with exclusive bonuses by the link below.